Thanks for taking the time for a brief introduction to Ecowarm Radiantboard. Today, we'll cover the following. What is Ecowarm? Why choose Ecowarm? How does Ecowarm work? And how to specify, install, and purchase Ecowarm. We invite you to visit our website for a wide range of information on Ecowarm Radiantboard and radiant floor heating in general. So, what is Ecowarm Radiantboard? Ecowarm Radiantboard is a hydronic radiant heating system made up of specially grooved plywood boards that are laminated with highly conductive aluminum, then secured to a subfloor or a slab. PEX plastic tubing is installed into the groove and warm water is circulated throughout, resulting in warm, gentle, and comfortable heat for your home. PEX plastic tubing is inserted into the specially undercut grooves, holding the tubing securely in place. Ecowarm boards are arranged and secured to the subfloor or slab according to the pattern in the design layout, which is also provided. Tubing is then inserted into the grooves and connected to the supply manifold and a boiler. The thin thermal mass and the highly conductive aluminum laminate result in rapid system response and even heat distribution while reducing the temperature of the water required to meet the heat load. A lower water temperature results in higher system efficiency and lower utility bills. The inherent efficiency of the design will save you a lot of money over the lifetime of the system. Recycled aluminum of the ideal thickness for modern homes is laminated to the surface of the plywood and in the grooves of straight boards. So, why Ecowarm? Ecowarm is made up of high-grade, sustainably harvested plywood that is laminated with a .010 thickness of highly conductive recycled aluminum. We select this aluminum for its excellent performance in the heat load conditions experienced in modern homes. This combination of green credentials, performance, and great pricing makes Ecowarm the best value amongst radiant heat delivery assemblies. As for Ecowarm installation, Ecowarm is usually installed over a subfloor but can also be applied over concrete. In addition, you can install pretty much any finished floor over the top of our boards. We supply extensive information on flooring goods and applications in our design and installation manual available to download from our website. Ecowarm Radiantboard is available with an FSC Sustainable certification that assures the highest level of sustainable forestry for green construction practices. Ecowarm is the only radiant panel available with sustainable certification. There's two types of boards, straight and super combo. These boards can be cut and installed to meet the vast majority of room configurations. Both are 47 inches by 23.5 inches and weigh 17.5 pounds each. We highly recommend using our CAD service to provide each project with a board design layout to assure accurate and easy installation. The layout provides you a graphic map for your installation. Here are the Ecowarm specifications. We subscribe to RCAT and provide CSI specifications on our website. We supply the purchaser with CAD drawings of their board layout, so board and tubing drawing need not be supplied by the specifier. We also provide full mechanical and radiant system design by a very experienced mechanical engineer, if desired. And we host remote lunch and learn sessions for architects. Just visit our website to sign up. And, psst, we even foot the bill for lunch, up to 10 attendees. On our website, you can visit our comparison page and review the pros and cons of different heat delivery methods and products. So, here are a few options people consider in radiant floor heating. A gypsum pour is a common method of heat delivery over subfloors by stapling tubing to the subfloor and applying a 1.5-inch thick slab. The limitations of gypsum are a higher mass. It's much slower to response time than Ecowarm Radiantboard. Gypsum floors are heavy, weighing in at 12 to 14 pounds per square foot, which can raise structural issues. They require double plating under all the walls, and they require a long time to cure, thus interfering with project flow, especially in winter when commercial propane heaters are required to drive out the moisture. It's a high price for smaller projects. And gypsum does not economically accommodate nailed-down hardwood. A concrete slab is an ancient method for radiant heating. It works, but it is very slow to respond, creating significant control complications. Setting your thermostat to one temperature and leaving it there for the heating system is no longer an option in modern, energy-efficient homes. A minimum of R10 insulation under the slab and sides are required unless you want to pay for years of thermal leakage. Due to these issues, it makes more sense to pour an independent structural slab, then create a thermally isolated, quick-responding assembly such as Ecowarm, as you see on the right. Placing tubing below the floor poses potential issues. The high resistance of the radiant heat having to transfer through the subfloor results in slow response. The high resistance of the radiant heat under the subfloor also results in significantly higher water temperatures. High water temps means lower efficiency, period. Higher water temperatures also mean your condensing heat source will condense less, resulting in lower heat source efficiency. The efficiency of these systems are extremely dependent upon expert application of the correct insulation and infiltration resistance. Finally, these systems are often thought of as being less expensive. That is true as to equipment cost, but these systems are very labor-intensive to install, unless you don't value your time. Ecowarm is easily installed by a general contractor or radiant heating professional. With your job-specific design board layout drawing and our step-by-step installation manual, you can do it. Our design and installation manual provides extensive information about design, installation, and floor goods. You can download the manual or ask to have a hard copy sent to you. The manual provides a step-by-step pictorial guide to installing Ecowarm Radiantboard. Here are a few installation photos in no particular order. They show the cutting, the gluing, the screwing, and the board can be stapled as well, plus cleaning out the grooves and installing the tubing. Ecowarm can be laid out in all sorts of patterns using the straight and combo utility boards. A 5/8 inch router can custom groove small areas if required. It's easy and fast to get a free quote and have your order shipped factory direct to your job site anywhere in North America. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Ecowarm. We are available 8 to 5 Pacific Time and happy to discuss your project. Please give us a call. Thank you.